Welcome back to the Max Auto YouTube channel. I'm Daniel, and today we're going to be working on the drive shaft. I finally got it back. So he welded it all the way around and he straightened it up. So what the problem was, this piece right here wasn't lined up with this one, which these are your universal joints. So it's nice and straight now, and with it not being straight, I would just be slinging these universal joints all up. So with that being said, they're a little tight. This thing should be just flopping really easy, but they're really tight. So I went ahead and got some new ones, and that's going to be the project for today. We're going to be replacing them. They have little clips inside I have to take out. Then I have a press. I'll press them out.
Oh yeah, mud 30 time to get dirty, baby.
Alright, so this is the press that I'll be using. It's actually a ball joint press, but you can use them for the drive shafts. And I have a video here. He's going to video me. His name's Hunter, and that's his little girlfriend over there. But he's going to video me doing it, because it's kind of hard to do it with two hands, and I can only be so far from the camera for you to hear me. So he's going to video me, and we're not going to get the whole thing because it is a process. So he's going to do little spurts here and there. So alright, so the clips are a little rusted. They're kind of rusted to the drive shaft itself. So I'm just going to take a side grinder and grind here and here, and try not to hit the drive shaft, and just take this out, and then I can just press the two ends out. I got this cut off right here, and now I'm just going to take this and press them out like that. And then once I get it out, I'll show you the clips if they'll come out with it. These are the C-clips I was telling you about. The old ones were basically rust welded to the drive shaft. So I got those out, and we're going to put this new one in there. In there like so. And then before I put the caps back on, I'll make sure the needles are still standing. I'll just slide it in there. And same with the other side. Check it, make sure none of the needles have fallen over, and just slide it in there. And then And now the grooves right here is where these little clips go. They go right in there just like that, and that's what holds your U-joint in. So now I'll just stick it right there and make sure it gets in there all the way. You want to tap around on a drive shaft lightly, and that'll free up the pins. Some people do it before greasing, some people don't. I like to wait after I grease it, that way it greases in there and I'm not messing anything up. So alright, so we got this one on here. See how loose it is, and I ain't even greased it yet. So now we're gonna grease it, and then I'll do the little hammer thing I was telling you about to just loosen it up, get the grease all in there. And then we'll do that side, which you can't put too much grease on this side because your caps come off. So you can put a little bit and then just bang it, and then we'll put it on the truck. Alright, so we're gonna grease this side. Alright, it's starting to come out the sides, so do one more good. And I'm gonna quit. And now I'll just take the hammer . Okay, did you see the cat move out? I mean, stop. I'm gonna get this on. This slides in the transfer case like so. Alright, so we got them all tight. I'll go over them again. You do not want these things loose. Alright, so they're all tight. That's what it should look like when you're done. Alright, so we're going to crank it up, test the battery out and the drive shaft. So I'll crank it up, we'll do a little test drive around the yard, and make sure everything's right. Now we're turn on the master switch. Fuse it. Alright guys, it drove good. Did 2 launches as you saw. I didn't see anything unusual. I did it from a complete stop, that way I can see if the drive shaft will hold up. It looks like it did. Everything's still intact. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm Daniel, and you're watching the Max Throttle YouTube channel.